Welcome back to yes, welcome back to Game channel. So today I would like to discuss a bit about the what kind engine that fit you. Okay, so because there are so many game engine that you can use or you can try, but perhaps for newbie, many of you kind of confused. Which one should I try as a beginner, right? So if you are beginner, I mean you are new in programming, so I will suggest you to do with the Roblox. Okay, why with Roblox? Because Roblox is using the Lua programming language. The Lua programming language is similar to like Python. Okay, Roblox engine or Roblox game engine using Lua as a programming language. This is similar to like Python. So Python is very simple programming language. So if you're new with programming, why not try Roblox? Because Roblox provide you many assets. It's like similar to Unity, but most of the assets in Roblox are free. Okay, so if you want to jump to the another game engine, perhaps you get enough with this Roblox and you want another challenge, so you have to go to Unity. I think, why not with Godot, why not with the blah 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 and so on? No, listen to me. Learning curve with game engine is a long journey, is a long path. For example, if you learn Roblox right here, perhaps 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you're good. Okay, so if you go to Unity using a C# programming language, which is static compile language, and so many rule in this programming language. So therefore the learning curve for this game engine, even though Unity, C# Unity with the new C# programming language, it will be more different, because they can use different assembly for the C# because they use the I think they use the mono behavior kind of C#. Okay, so they try to make it more easier for game engine, for Unity. Okay, but the learning curve still is a long journey, so you have to like spend, I think, like 6 months to like 1 year to learn this Unity game engine. Okay, so don't go to the other engine if you have finished with the Roblox. Go straight to Unity and you good with Unity. If you think that Unity is the best for you, you can stay with Unity. Okay, but I think, in my opinion, Unity is like for like small to medium project. If you want to create like complex project and you have complex project and you want to pursue the performance kind of that, you can go to Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so Unreal Engine 5 is use the different programming language, but still in the C family. This is use the C++ programming language. So C++ is better in performance compared to the C# with Unity. And also, if you go to this Unreal website, if you see the feature that they building right now in 5 version, you will get so many AAA standard of game industry, right? So I think the best part from the Unreal is because the threshold license. Yeah, there's so this is free, but you have to pay after you gain like what 1 million US dollar. So and then so many asset in here free, and there are asset project free right here, so you can start learning from that, and there are many big community in here. So yeah, this is good for big budget, big complex project, but still reliable. Yeah, in terms of reliable, because there are community, there are asset that you can buy, there are asset that you can try because this is free. Okay, and the best part of this engine is many of free service from this Unreal. Okay, and the other best part, because yeah, the new version, which is the version 5, come up with Lumen, come up with Lumen is the real-time rendering for the lighting, and there are new thing coming up again later. Yeah, if you go to like licensing in here, this is free. Yeah, but if you have like enterprise, you want to so many, this is like for like a big studio, like yeah, for like solo developer, or I think there is no solo developer in Unreal, I think. Yeah, because Unreal is it's suited for the complex project. Okay, so that's the three of game engine that you can consider learning when you start making your game. You have to go with Roblox, and then if you want to pursue more, you can go with Unity, because you can make what mobile game with Unity. And if you want to create a AAA game, you can use Unreal. So there are many other good game engine. For example, you can try this one, the CryEngine. CryEngine is the engine made for, I think this is Crytek, right? So they use this engine. If you go here, they use engine to develop a game for Far Cry, I think. Yeah, this one, Far Cry. So yeah, this is good engine. I tried before this CryEngine, but because the community is so small, and also the asset is not quite big compared to Unity or to Unreal, yeah, I think I prefer to jump to Unity or Unreal. But this is compared to Unreal, this is not better, but almost similar to the Unreal. So if you want to try another game engine, for example, you can try Godot. Yeah, because Godot is big community, right? So if you go to the website of Godot, I think you will find so many good and big community with Godot. And also you can try this one. This is the CryEngine. Yeah, the CryEngine is the engine that made to develop Far Cry. Yeah, this is from Crytek. I tried this before, but because the asset is not quite big as Unreal, and also because the community is not quite big as Unreal, so I prefer Unreal to this one. And the new one is coming, I think. This one is the Ultra Engine. So this one is different to the other engine, but they claim they've 10 times faster than Unity, I think. And if you see right here in the website, you will find that the claim is like instant rendering like start from 40 fps to like 1000. That's very amazing. And animation is 64 fps to like 1000. Wow, that's amazing. As I know, I think the normal animation for fps is more than enough. It's like 60 is more than enough. Okay, and lighting right here like 90 to like 1456, batches to 1 and 2 fps to like 6000. That's big. So all this is the feature for new Ultra engine. But the hiccup, okay, the hiccup in here is, as you can see, there is no tire for free layer in here, right? So you have to buy. Yeah, even though if you go to this one, the pro version, it say that royalty free. So the business model of this engine is different to Unity and Unreal, because Unity, Unreal, even CryEngine, they use the, like, I think income threshold kind of that. So after you gain income from your game, like about 1 million for Unreal, you have to pay like percentage to the engine. Okay, but this one is royalty free, so this is different kind of business model. You are given by the company a threshold 1 million. It means that company wants you to get that 1 million, because if not, the company will not get money from you. So what is the point, right? Giving you free and giving you threshold, it means the company want to support you until you get 1 million. So the hiccup in this different kind of model business, when you have to like pay first, and then it's something like you buy game. If it's bad, then you waste your money. If it's good, then you lucky, right? Yeah, I mean, this is new thing, right? New game engine, right? So yeah, that's is the point. That's is my opinion. Okay, but if we see and if we read this all, this is using the C++. Okay, and I think this is more suitable for VR project. Yeah, so they use Vulkan, and then what else? I think yes, this one graphic, and they use the GLTF right here. Yep, there you go. As you can see, this is VR suitable for VR project. So yeah, I think that's it about this video. So if you are new to programming, and especially game developer, and want to try game engine, so if you're new, go to with Roblox. I think go with Roblox, because Roblox is simple. And if you want to jump for the intermediate, go with Unity. If you want to jump for the triple A project, I mean, go with Unreal. Okay, the point is, if you new, the learning path or the learning curve for every engine is different. Roblox is, yeah, it's short. Unity is more longer. Unreal is like almost forever. Okay, because I mean, there is no better option right now better than Unreal Engine. That's it for now. Have a great one. Bye bye.